When comparing Asana versus ClickUp for project management, you'll want to know which one can help you work faster, with less hassle and more productivity. Both have a lot of features, but the real question is, which is faster? Stick around to find out if your next project management tool is just a click away. By the end of this, you'll have a solid idea of which one can actually streamline your workflow and which might slow you down. First up, let's talk about setup time. Asana is known for its user-friendly interface and relatively simple setup process. You can get started quickly, and if you're used to project management tools, it feels intuitive right off the bat. However, while it's easy to start using, the flexibility and customization options come at a cost. If you need to create a more complex workflow, the learning curve starts to show. Setting up integrations or automations can sometimes feel like a chore, slowing down your overall speed. Next, ClickUp takes a different approach. On one hand, it offers a lot of customization right from the start. Creating a task, assigning it, setting up multiple views, and automations is fast. But on the other hand, ClickUp can be overwhelming if you're just getting started, especially if you're trying to learn how to use all of its features. The platform is packed with options, and at times, it feels like you have to dig through multiple layers to find exactly what you need, which can be time-consuming. Now, moving on to the interface. Asana is known for its clean and minimalist design. If you're someone who values simplicity and speed, this could be a great fit for you. The layout doesn't feel cluttered, and once you're familiar with it, managing tasks feels pretty fluid. But again, when you start using advanced features like custom fields, or if you're managing large teams with multiple workflows, things can feel a bit cramped, slowing down your process. ClickUp, on the other hand, offers a more feature-rich interface that can feel like a productivity dashboard. It gives you a lot of options to view your tasks, lists, boards, Gantt charts, timelines, and more. While this means you can be flexible with how you organize your work, the downside is that all those extra features can overwhelm you. Navigating through all of them can slow you down when you're trying to get something done quickly. The next thing to consider is task management. Asana's task management is straightforward. You create tasks, set deadlines, assign team members, and you're good to go. It's quick, simple, and effective for teams that need to move fast without much complexity. But for larger teams or complex projects, Asana's structure can limit your ability to manage multiple projects at once without switching between tabs or different views, which can waste time. ClickUp, in contrast, takes a more all-in-one approach to task management. It lets you customize everything: tasks, subtasks, checklists, and time tracking, making it perfect for larger teams or projects that need to be broken down into smaller chunks. But with so much customization, it can also feel like there are too many choices, and it's easy to get lost in all the options. When you need to work fast, these extra layers of complexity could slow you down. Next, let's look at integrations. Both Asana and ClickUp offer a wide range of integrations, from Slack to Google Drive to calendar apps. But here's the catch: Asana is pretty good at syncing with tools you already use, and it does so with minimal setup. However, when it comes to automations and more advanced workflows, the free version of Asana doesn't offer as much flexibility. So, if you're running on the free plan, you might find yourself limited when trying to speed up your processes. ClickUp, on the other hand, offers tons of integrations as well, and its higher tier plans have more robust automation features. This can speed up your workflow significantly once you've got everything set up. But again, this is only helpful if you're ready to dive into all the customization options, and if you're not, it can take time to master, which can slow you down. Finally, let's talk about speed in terms of performance. Asana tends to be faster in loading and navigating through simple projects. Its minimalism means that there's less data to load, so you can get into the work without delay. However, when dealing with large teams or projects with a lot of moving parts, performance can start to lag. ClickUp, though it offers more features, sometimes lags in performance, especially when you're managing multiple tasks, projects, and dependencies at once. It can feel a bit sluggish at times, which can be frustrating when you're in a hurry. So, both Asana and ClickUp have their strengths and weaknesses. If you want a tool that's quick and easy to start with and you don't mind sacrificing some customization, Asana might be a better choice. But if you're after a highly customizable platform and don't mind spending a little more time setting things up, ClickUp might be worth considering. However, after trying both myself and testing their capabilities, I've found that neither quite delivers the speed and efficiency I need for managing tasks. That's why, if you're truly looking for something faster, I recommend checking out the free trial of the platform in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best trial and exclusive benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity to try a platform that might be the right fit for your project management needs.